y'all heard about this, but it is a lady that has been sexually assaulted. An older elderly lady. And she has been sexually assaulted, bro. And she got dementia and shit. She got dementia and stuff, bro. So we finna check it out and just see what's going on with this story.
She claims her mother was sexually assaulted by a volunteer piano player. Fox 11's Nick Garcia here now. The story you'll see only on Fox 11. Nick?
Right, Christine. Well, this happened. There's shocking video to go along with those disturbing details. This allegedly happened at an independent living community in La Mirada. Now, this story is about sexual abuse. It's a very sensitive topic, and it's very tough to hear and watch. A betrayal of trust and delayed justice. Camille Anderson moved her...
Now, we try to keep the racism and shit and stuff out of this and away from this, but you being a senior care facility worker, you shouldn't... There should be no question. Especially...
Mom, who has dementia, into La Mirada Heights senior living community 4 years ago, believing it would be a safe space. That belief torn to shreds last summer when prosecutors say Jonathan Alvarado raped her mother.
You want to know what's scary? This stuff is just surfacing now. And I don't understand exactly why. I don't understand exactly why on God's green earth this happened last summer. Why are we just not hearing about this?
Alvarado was a volunteer.
That place was free to do business until now. I don't understand, like it.
Piano player at La Mirada Heights. The whole nightmare caught on camera.
I just screamed.
Anderson set up Ring cameras throughout her mom's apartment because of her dementia-related symptoms. Here is some of that shocking footage. You see Alvarado in the victim's bedroom.
Motherfucking freak, man!
Taking his clothes off. An hour later, you see him here, emerging from the bedroom, naked. Alvarado throws a condom in the trash can, then gets dressed. Anderson was at work when this happened, but started receiving several motion-triggered notifications from Ring.
When I had a chance to go back to my office and check my phone, I see on the notification picture that there was a man in the room bending down, tying his shoes.
She called the facility and says...
Now, don't get it wrong. Mama is old enough now. And, like, I'm not making light of the situation at all, but I used to clean carpet, bro. And them old ladies, they would make, fuck a pass, they would make, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but you never supposed to act on that, man. You know they not all right.
2 workers entered the room to check on her mother.
Are you naked, Mama?
Notice her confusion as they ask questions.
Are you okay?
But it looked like she caught him red-handed, though.
Who's the guy who was here? Think about it, Mama, and slow, so you can tell me.
Do you know what happened? She's like, no. Okay, did you want to have sex, Mom? No. No.
Alvarado is facing felony charges, 1 count for rape, 1 for a lewd act on a dependent adult.
That is fucking sick, bruh. Sick.
Kind of following the advice of the detective.
Anderson says the LA County District Attorney's Office has been slow to prosecute this case. She and her lawyer question why the DA has not announced it publicly, because they believe there could be more victims.
You expect a certain level of security and protection, and that does not appear to have been the case for my client.
We went to La Mirada Heights looking for answers. The manager on site could not speak with us on camera, but we did receive this statement saying in
we are disturbed by these allegations. We will fully cooperate with any criminal investigation because this matter involves an ongoing criminal case. And out of respect for the privacy of our resident, it is not appropriate to comment further.
Quote, we are disturbed by these allegations and will fully cooperate with any criminal investigation.
She's just trying to go down to the chow hall, not to the chow hall, to the cafeteria, you know, play some spades. Play some tennis, maybe some tennis, you know?
Because this matter involves an ongoing criminal case, And out of respect for the privacy of our resident, it is not appropriate to comment further. End quote.
Justice looks like in this case that the facility will be held responsible and liable for their negligence in this case and their continued negligence from what we understand.
Anderson has filed a $25 million lawsuit against...
Yeah, damn, 25 million? I mean, you gotta shoot for the stars. Like, and this is no laughing matter. Like, this is just my opinion. These are the things that go on in my head while I'm, you know what I'm saying, while I'm watching these videos. And I'm just trying to figure out, like, Jesus Christ, $25 million.
Against the company
like,
and the...
I mean, she deserves every penny, I feel like.
Suspect,
right?
Claiming negligence, sexual abuse, and elder abuse.
They helped him. They helped him do it, essentially. They opened the door for this to happen.
An open door to a person she feels should have never been trusted in the first place.
Look at him tiptoeing around, you fucking freak. You comfortable. And I want to know, I guarantee you, this ain't the first time. Look how comfortable he looks. Look at the smile, the smug, like he just got old.
I've received a response from the LA County District Attorney's Office that follows. The case was presented to us as an in-custody filing, and it was rejected for further investigation, filed for warrant on July 29th, 2025. Now, approximately 6 weeks after the DA says it was initially presented, the defendant was brought before a court in January of this year. They've had one preliminary hearing so far. The LA County Sheriff's Department conducted the investigation in this matter and didn't bring any additional victims to their attention, the DA's office. So that was one concern of the woman, the daughter, and the attorney, is could there be more victims? Yeah. The DA's office says not to their knowledge.
So the case is ongoing?
The case is ongoing. He had a hearing a few weeks ago. Next hearing is in a few weeks from today.
I wonder if he out of jail, Chad. What y'all think? Y'all think he out of jail? Y'all think he made bond? I wouldn't get that freaky motherfucker a bond, man. You freak dementia? Like, bro, you could have took that paycheck that they give you, and you could have went and bought you could have went and handled business on the strip or something. You in La Mita? Is it Mexico? Or Las Vegas? Like, where are y'all at? Like, bro, you could have went and bought something, man. Like, bro, you are a freak. You are the worst type of individual, man.
Guessing he's not in custody?
He's out on bond.
Okay, and now I'm reminding our viewers he was a volunteer piano player at the home? That's correct. Now, I asked the facility if they conduct background checks on volunteers. They weren't able to give me that answer. Mm-hmm. I would imagine maybe not for a volunteer. For a worker, certainly, but for somebody who's volunteering, and maybe independent not. Living, as she had her own key to her own room, and the daughter had put up the Ring cameras. That's correct. This is different than assisted living, according to the facility. This is independent living, so you're pretty much on your own. Oh, just so terrifying. Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah. See, you can't do that. Like, why would you ever think that was okay? First and foremost, I refuse to. I would refuse to even let my mom stay in no shit like that. I would refuse. I would never. Like, I hope they moved her out. I'm sure they moved her out.
So much.
Never ever sue the driver who crashed into you after a car accident. There's a better way to get